Well, Donald Trump suffered another major legal setback earlier this week when a judge in New York said that she will not dismiss or even issue a stay in the defamation lawsuit against the president filed by former Apprentice contestant Summer Zervos. Now, this is one of the longest running lawsuits against the president. And for those who are not familiar with it, let's take you back a couple of years. Back in 2016, former Apprentice Season 5 contestant Summer Zervos came forward and said that on 3 different occasions, twice in New York, once in Beverly Hills, Donald Trump pushed her against the wall, forcibly kissed her. She did not want it. She did not like it. She felt that that was assault. And so she came forward with her story. After she came forward with the story, which, yes, by definition, that is assault, by the way, Donald Trump came out and said, nope, this never happened. She is a liar. He proceeded to attack her on Twitter and in interviews. And as a result, Ms. Zervos filed a defamation lawsuit against the president for calling her all of these horrible names and attacking her very publicly. And now, for the second time this year, a judge has said, guess what, Mr. President? You are not, in fact, above the law, and you may even have to be called to testify in this case. And that's going to be horrible for the president. But here's the thing. Here's what I love about this lawsuit, other than the fact that we need to listen to the accusers, is the fact that it's the Republicans' fault. And here's what I mean. You know, back during the Clinton years in the 90s, they were trying to pop Bill Clinton on anything they could find. You know, oh, was it harassment over here? Did he rape this person? Did he have some kind of shady real estate deal? They investigated everything. Sound familiar? And as part of it, president ended up getting sued for harassment. Republicans helped to spur that on and get it going, and they thought, oh, we got him with this. She's going to take it from here. Well, the Supreme Court got a hold of that case, and Clinton's lawyers tried to argue that, hey, he's the president of the United States, right? He can't be sued for this. And the Supreme Court said, no, actually, you can. The president of the United States can, in fact, be sued for non-official acts. Basically, that means like the president can't be sued for a policy he puts in place, but if the president goes out and harasses somebody, yes, you can be sued for that. Bill Clinton was, and now Trump's being sued for defamation. And a judge back in March actually cited that Clinton case from the Supreme Court and said, hey, you're not above the law. And you can kind of thank Republicans for that, for making all of that come about. But nonetheless, this lawsuit does need to go forward. And I hope Trump does get called to testify, because we need to hear in his own words why this woman is a liar. Because after all, if he can prove that she is a liar, then there's actually no defamation. But in order to prove that she's a liar, he will have to prove that he did not, in fact, assault her. See, this case isn't about the assault. It's about the name he called her and the damage he has done to her character. But in order to defend himself against that, he will in fact have to defend himself against the claims of assault. And that's what's great about this, and I believe this is why Zervos' attorneys decided to go this route. Because if she wants to sue him for defamation and he wants to say he didn't defame her, the only way to do that is to prove that he didn't assault her. And I don't think the president is going to be able to do that. Thanks for watching, everybody. And don't forget, if you like what you see here, like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. And now you can also become a member of Ring of Fire and get exclusive early access to certain Ring of Fire videos all throughout the week. Just click on the little join button right below the video.